Hi everyone, my name is Maulia Salsabila Putri Andini, and do you know what my biggest dream is? Yes, to be a teacher of course. But actually, I want to be a teacher and a writer because I'm a big fan of literature, especially classic novels. This is exactly what I'm studying, Indonesian language and literature education. There are several reasons why I enjoy literature. The first one is broadening horizons. Literature lets us see the world through different eyes. We can live other people's lives, learn about different cultures, and understand tricky social problems. Boosting empathy. By reading about all kinds of characters, we can get a better grasp of how others feel and why they do what they do. This makes us more understanding and accepting. The third one is firing up your imagination. Literature sparks your imagination. You can dream up unreal worlds, make up your own stories, and get more creative. Building your vocabulary and language skills. Reading good books will boost your vocabulary and help you understand language on a deeper level. Finding yourself. In lots of books, you'll find characters or situations that remind you of your own life. This can help you figure yourself out and find your place in the world. Having fun. Literature can be a lot of fun. You can laugh, cry, and get lost in great stories. Learning from others' mistakes. Books often teach us important lessons about life. By reading, you can learn from other people's mistakes and avoid making the same ones. As I mentioned earlier, I also want to be a teacher, and there are several reasons why I have this dream. Imagine this, a classroom where students are no longer confined to textbooks and traditional lectures. Instead, they're immersed in a world of augmented reality, collaborating on virtual projects, and using AI-powered tools to personalize their learning experience. As a future teacher, I envision myself at the forefront of this educational revolution. I'm so excited about the possibilities that technology offers to create dynamic and engaging learning environments. For example, I could use virtual field trips to transport students to historical sites or distant galaxies, or create interactive simulations to help them understand complex scientific concepts. By leveraging these tools, I can inspire my students to become lifelong learners and prepare them for the challenge of the future. I also believe that technology can help us to create more inclusive classrooms. For example, students with learning disabilities can benefit from the use of assistive technologies, while students from diverse cultural backgrounds can access a wider range of information and perspectives. As a teacher, I would work to ensure that all of my students have the opportunity to succeed, regardless of their individual needs or circumstance. Beyond academic achievement, I believe that education should also focus on developing the character and values of our students. As a future teacher, I want to create a classroom where students learn not only how to think critically and solve problems, but also how to be kind, compassionate, and responsible citizens. I envision myself as a mentor who can help my students to discover their passions, set goals, and overcome challenges. By fostering a positive and supportive learning environment, I hope to inspire my students to make a positive impact on the world. I also believe that it is important to teach students about global citizenship and social justice. By exposing my students to diverse perspectives and cultures, I hope to help them develop a deeper understanding of the world around them and a commitment to make it a better place. I envision my classroom as a microcosm of the global community, where students from all backgrounds come together to learn and grow. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to learn and adapt is more important than ever. As a future teacher, I want to instill in my students a love of learning that will last a lifetime. I envision my classroom as a place where students are encouraged to ask questions, explore new ideas, and take risks. By fostering a growth mindset, I hope to help my students develop the resilience and perseverance they need to succeed in any endeavor. I also believe that it is important to teach students how to learn independently by providing them with the tools and strategies they need to be successful learners. I can help them to become more self directed and motivated. I envision a future where my students are not only prepared for college and careers, but also equipped to continue learning throughout their lives.